I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
Hey guys, my name is Gary. I'm not a bartender, and welcome back to Casually Drinking. In this episode, I'm going to be making a drink called Shark Attack. I first saw this drink on TikTok. It was cool seeing that toy shark spit out blood like that, so I said to myself, hey, why not make that? This drink has simple ingredients that include spiced rum, light rum, blue curacao, sweet and sour, and grenadine. I also got this test tube and toy shark on Amazon, which I'll link in the description. It's not very necessary, but it's there. Now that we know all the ingredients, let's get to mixing. And there you have it, folks, the Shark Bite cocktail. I really had fun making this drink, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give a like and subscribe if you're new. And be sure to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload. And comment what drink you'd like to see me make. And as always, guys, later.